What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the Gloss Garage, where we make detailing simple. So this is the first wash on the Atlas R line 2023, and right now I'm just doing a pre-rinse just to show you guys how the coating actually cured. Remember, it just got the base coat and the coating looked like it cured beautifully. Look at all that water beading, how everything just runs off the paint, just quick and smooth. So yeah, so in this video I'll be showing you guys how to do a quick rinseless wash and put on ceramic gloss, and also how to use quick beads. And in this quick beads video, I just really want to be transparent. This was the first time of me using quick beads, and I did run into a little bit of user error, which I will explain more in the video, and you guys will see like this streaky or staining type of effect that the quick beads left behind on the paint. And it was a bit hard to remove, and it was really annoying because it kept me behind and held the customer behind an extra hour, because at first I thought that staining was pretty much permanent, but it actually dissipates on its own. And yes, and I did use ceramic gloss over it. I did use Perriando Pure on the windows, because that's where the one it actually felt like it stained. But yes, I was just showing the customer how to wash this vehicle with just a hose, and I want to show you guys as well that using a hose is possible. Same thing with the rinseless wash. He did keep this vehicle in his garage while it was curing for the past 2 weeks, and to be honest with you guys, this is a perfect time. It just had very light dust on it, pretty much no dirt whatsoever. You even saw me clean the wheels pretty much for no reason, but it's part of my service that I give as a detailing business. And now I'm spraying the rinseless wash solution as a pre-treat, and then I go ahead and use the gold sponge. And again, I am showing the customer how to do a proper rinseless wash, a scratch-free rinseless wash, and how he could do it in his own garage because he does not have access to free-flowing water. So with this first method, it was just showing again how to do the rinseless wash with ceramic gloss, and you've added at least a month of protection on it. And then the second half, which is the cream of the crop of this actual video, was more of how to use quick beads. And this was where I ran into a little bit of situation, because this was actually like my second time using quick beads, and I didn't have any issue the first time using it, but for some reason I did have issues this time. But I just pre-rinsed the whole panel, and now I am using quick beads on top of this. And you shake up the bottle, shake up both the gallon, and this is a brand new bottle and spray trigger and everything that I am using. But maybe I ran into this error, and I was saying, why did I run into this streaking error where it was just streaky and left little streaks? And like I said, it dissipated on its own quickly after a couple minutes. And when you use P&S paint gloss, it just wiped off a lot easier. Just on the glass, I did use Perriando Pure because that was just the hardest to remove. But again, it just goes to show, even me as a professional detailer, when I'm using brand new products, and this is actually like my second time, maybe third times tops, because the other vehicles were gray and darker, maybe I didn't run into this type of issue. So pretty much after this whole detail, I really added a wax on top of a sealant. But again, I'm rinsing off the quick beads on this part of the video and just rinsing off the windshield and the first half of the vehicle. And it comes out really shiny, really glossy, and quick beads leaves a nice slick surface. Now the water beading, you guys see it here, that quick beads left behind. The beads are actually tighter because, again, when you add any type of protection on top of your existing ceramic coating, you are masking the water beading and the water sheeting effects of the ceramic coating. But it is okay because this is actually a SiO2 sealant. The spray-on sealant is just, once that sealant degrades, then after that I will have the original ceramic coating water beading and water sheeting effects. So I am not worried about it. This is actually just a sacrificial layer. And now I am drying the vehicle, and this is when I'm talking about these little streaky effects. I don't know where it came from or how it happened, but it was just super weird that it happened to me on this vehicle. And again, like I said, I used this about 3 to 4 times, and I had no issues before. So maybe one of you guys in the comments down below can let me know what happened. But again, I am still in love with this product, and you guys will see on another video that I will be posting that I did it on my own personal vehicle, so you guys can actually see that quick beads leaves a nice deep shine, especially the day after. Once you let quick beads sit for over 24 hours, the shine and gloss actually pops even more, which is actually really insane. And I didn't notice that because, again, I use it on my customers' vehicles, and this time I used it on my own vehicle that's actually ceramic coated as well, and you guys will see that extra shine and gloss and pop that it gave. Even though after this video, once you guys see the after results, is absolutely insane on the gloss that it left behind. Even though this video is ceramic coated, 90% of the gloss comes from the paint being polished, then the other 5-10% is from the ceramic coating, and then you can add a little bit more on the gloss meter, but it's just all perspective at that point. But again, these are the streaking marks that I felt I left behind. It was actually kind of rough to remove. You see me rubbing my finger on the glass, and it was just super annoying for it to come off. It was coming off, but on the glass I used Rupes Uno Pure, and it just left these little streaky marks that was just so annoying. To remove those streaks, I did use PNS paint gloss off the paint, and just look at the results after this. Now the sacrificial layer is fortified with paint gloss, quick beads, and obviously it has the professional grade raw ceramic coating. And just look at how glossy this paint is, and all the products will be down below in the description, and also you guys could use code DMS at checkout to receive 10% off your complete order, and just enjoy this shine and gloss of this actual vehicle for its first maintenance wash since it got ceramic coated. And I really just want to show you guys and be transparent that even I go through some challenges using new products, and maybe again this was just a complete user error. And if you guys like this type of content, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and other than that, I'm out, guys. Peace.